Now we're going to start writing the code for our setup function. The setup function will run once when the Arduino board is first powered on. And if you recall that we are using digital pins in this particular circuit, and this is where in the setup where we can configure what those pins will be. They'll either be an input or an output. And the name of the function that we use for that is called pin mode. So I'll take my cursor and put it just inside of the opening curly bracket, hit enter, starts a new line, and then I will use the function pin mode. All right, so pay close attention to the capitalization. So all the letters are lowercase except for the M. Then let's see, open parentheses, and we want to configure pin 2, comma, and this, because we'll be pushing the button, we're going to be sending something in to our this digital pin here, so this will be an input, and that's all capital letters, close parentheses, semicolon. Right. Next line, pin mode, and open parentheses, and let's see, pin 3. And let's see, pin 3 is going out of pin 3. It's going to the anode of our LED. Okay, it's going to be sending a signal to the LED, so that's going to be an output. Matter of fact, 3, 4, and 5 are all going to be outputs because it's sending something to the LED. So output, colon, and I'm just going to do a little copy and paste and make sure I change this to 4 and then 5. Okay, semicolon. All right, so that is our configuration for our setup. Again, we just wanted to configure the pins, and we've used, let's say we've configured pins 2 through 5. And again, make sure that your make sure that your capitalization is correct. Now, this little line down here where you see 2 forward slashes and the statement put your setup code here to run once, this is a comment. So anytime you put 2 forward slashes, anything after that up until the colon is going to give you the computer program is just going to ignore it. Like, this is where you can write like natural language in here. Okay, but we won't need this, so you can go ahead and highlight this and then delete it. Okay. All right. So there is our setup function at this point.